Purchasing and finance are happy because a few months ago, they joined the WorkCenter by ManufacturingPower. Now, when they need to buy their MRO or industrial supplies, Purchasing Pro can see what their peers paid for those exact same items. Combine that information with their historical pricing, and you have some serious negotiation and buying power. With the WorkCenter, purchasing and finance have a single source of data to manage their business smarter, more efficiently, and make the best strategic cost savings decisions possible. When it's time to buy or choose distributor partners, your team automatically gets the information they need across all types of products and categories, thanks to the WorkCenter by ManufacturingPower. This really comes in handy when purchasing is building large RFQs, negotiating with distributors, or forecasting for next year. As time passes, your needs and people may change. Not to worry. The WorkCenter will keep on showing the data that counts. ManufacturingPower members are constantly adding new pricing and items which updates the database automatically in real time. And since the WorkCenter provides a single source of truth from quote to purchase, you'll continuously find savings where you never thought possible. Who doesn't like savings? Visit ManufacturingPower.com to unlock the power of group data, find recurring cost savings, and maximize every dollar you spend.